If you're experiencing the Cloud Save Error 2025 in Elden Ring, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue and get back to your game. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Elden Ring or Bandai Namco website to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, the error may be due to server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Elden Ring completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use your game pack from Steam, Epic Games, etc. to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to cloud save errors. Restart your router if necessary. Step 5. Relog into your account. Log out of your gaming account and then log back in. This can refresh your account's connection to the cloud services and resolve any authentication issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the cloud save error and continue your adventure in Elden Ring. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.